A group of young investors arrives in the nearly abandoned town. They're excited, confident, ready to buy the whole place and turn it into a fresh community. They walk through the dusty streets like they own them. But the town feels wrong from the moment they get there. The wind is too still, the buildings too quiet. The whole place feels frozen in time, like it's holding its breath. But then they see it, a house, old, worn, and clearly not empty. Inside, an elderly woman lives alone. She claims she still owns the property. She insists she never left, and she warns them, in a trembling voice, that her boy is upstairs, resting. They ignore her, call for authorities, and in the chaos that follows, the woman collapses. Her breathing stops, her body goes limp, and somewhere inside that old house, something ancient and violent awakens. The silent giant upstairs, her boy, slowly steps into the light. His face is blank, expressionless, but his breathing grows heavy as he watches the woman being taken away. He goes with her in the ambulance, but when she dies, right there beside him, everything inside him snaps. He attacks the officers, breaks bones like sticks. The air fills with screams. And then, silence. Leatherface cuts her face off and wears it. Her skin becomes his mask. Her death becomes his rage. And Hollow becomes his hunting ground. The investors, still celebrating their new town, have no idea what's coming. Suddenly, Leatherface appears, huge, breathing hard, dragging something behind him, and then the sound shatters the silence. The sound that will haunt the survivors forever. The chainsaw roars back to life. He tears through the town with unstoppable force, splintering doors, shredding walls, ripping through anyone who crosses his path. The streets echo with screams, and the survivors